construction or demolition, the T-Series has it covered. You need more. More fuel, more loading capacity, highest in the market. We've taken decades of family-style pride and invested it in creating the ultimate machine. A state-of-the-art S8000 FTP case engine delivers big performance. Level up with the self-leveling mechanism during the lifting phase and best-in-class tipping height. Openable rear and side windows ensure you can see all the hills and valleys in the making. Case is here to do everything we can, so you can do everything you can better. Case, your answer to every worksite's need.